The Radenso Pro Series Direct Wire Kit allows you to directly hardwire your Radenso Pro Series radar detector unit to your vehicle. This helps keep your windshield free from clutter and frees up a power adapter for your vehicle. The Direct Wire Kit is 9.5 feet in length. Compatible with Radenso Pro, Pro Se, Pro M. Allows you to better hide wiring in your vehicle. Frees up your power adapter for another device. Cleaner look inside the car. 9.5 feet long. Top reviews from the United States. You need to hardwire with qood quaility cables, soft and solid. I hardwired my Pro M with cheap long cables and it was plasticky and made a strange loop into the jackhole and had a white plus indication. But this cable is soft and solid, well-covered rubber and lands nicely. Onto the car dashboard. The suctions bought are also very elastic and pops onto the windshield. Makes a pop sound, well made also. Perfect for Radenso Pro. Was plenty long enough to hardwire routing from the blend mount, around the top of the windshield and to the ADA circuit in a RAV4.